Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into a Vivo Y76 5G. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find shortcuts and accessibility option, this one. Here go into quick action, and on the bottom we got select features option. So first option is turn on off touch, record audio, open microphone, open Facebook or open app. If we choose open application, we can select from the list your application, maybe mail will be nice. If you wanna change, tap one more time and change, for example, to contact. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.